Knitters, are you ready to tackle some tricky stitches with ease? In this video, we're going to break down how to conquer difficult knitting stitches step by step. Don't worry if you've struggled before, I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's talk about the yarn and needles. Choose a yarn that's easy to see, like a light-colored worsted weight. This will help you spot those stitches. As for needles, make sure they are comfortable for you to hold and that they match your yarn weight. Now, let's get into the stitches. We'll start with a classic, the cable stitch. Cables can seem intimidating, but they're really just a matter of moving stitches around. You'll need a cable needle, which is a small, straight needle. Slip the stitches to be cabled onto the cable needle. Hold them in front or behind your work. Knit the next stitches, then knit the stitches from the cable needle. And there you have a cable. Next up, we'll look at the slip stitch. Slip stitches can create beautiful textures, but it's important to do them correctly. Simply slip the stitch purlwise or knitwise, depending on the pattern. Make sure you don't accidentally knit or purl the slip stitch, as this will change the pattern. Another stitch that sometimes gives knitters a headache is the yarn over. Yarn overs create holes in your knitting, and they're used for lace and other textured patterns. Bring the yarn over the needle, and then knit or purl the next stitch. Be careful not to wrap the yarn twice. Decreasing stitches can also be tricky. We'll cover the basics like knit 2 together K2 tog and slip knit SSK. K2 tog is easy, just knit 2 stitches together. SSK is a little different, slip 2 stitches knitwise, one at a time. Then put them back on the left needle and knit them together through the back loop. This decreases a stitch and gives a nice, neat edge. Increasing stitches are equally important. You might use yarn over increases, or pick up and knit increases. Picking up and knitting a stitch can be found between 2 stitches on your needle, and you will knit this extra stitch as 1 stitch. Let's talk about twisted stitches. Twisted stitches add texture to your knitting. To make a twisted stitch, knit or purl into the back loop instead of the front loop of the stitch. This twists the stitch, creating a nice detail. Practice these stitches slowly at first, and don't get discouraged if you make mistakes. Knitting is all about learning and improving. If you are having trouble with any stitch, just rewind the video and watch it again. Remember to keep your tension consistent. Tight tension can make it hard to see the stitches, while loose tension can make your work look sloppy. Find a tension that feels comfortable for you, and most importantly, have fun. Knitting is a relaxing and rewarding craft. With a little practice, you'll be able to master even the most difficult stitches. Happy knitting!